We're in chord world again.
Nice to be back. 2 chords today too?
Why not?
Okay, should.
Starting from the bottom, place your forefinger on the first string, 2nd fret. Then your middle finger on the 4th string, 4th fret. Now your ring finger on the 3rd string, 4th fret. And finally, your pinky on the 2nd string, 4th fret.
Wait, it's like an 8 2 frets down. It's a B chord.
Exactly, very good. When playing this chord, be careful not to hit the 5th and the 6th strings, as those notes don't belong to the chord of B.
You mean like this, right?
Exactly. Now let's see the F chord. Make an E chord, but using middle, ring, and pinky fingers.
Okay, middle finger on 3rd string, 1st fret. Ring finger on 5th string, 2nd fret. Pinky on 4th string, 2nd fret. And now?
Now slide everything to the next fret and add a Demi Barre on the 1st fret.
A what?
A Demi Barre. With your forefinger, press down 1st fret on both 1st and 2nd string.
Help! This is a bit hard.
A bit, yes, but with practice you'll make it.
I'll do my best.